This is exactly how to use your Xfinity hotspot on your PlayStation 5. So firstly, go into settings on your PlayStation 5 here as you can see, and then on your PlayStation settings here, click on network. So now when you have clicked on network, what you need to do in here is to click on settings and then set up internet connection. Make sure that on networks found here to connect to your Xfinity Wi-Fi here. So if you can see it, perfect, just click on it. Then after you have clicked on it, sometimes you will get a login page right away. If you don't worry. So if you don't get a login page, what we need to do is to come back to settings, click on users and accounts here, and then click on other. Clicked on linked services here actually, linked services, and then click on YouTube right here, and then click on link. Then click on use browser in the bottom right corner. Now in here, click on terms, and then click on this right here, and then click on Google search. Now on Google search like this, Xfinity login. Click on done, then click on Google search. Then just gonna wait. So you can see there's gonna be a couple of login pages here. So just choose the one that works for you and then just sign into your Xfinity account there and confirm the login. So do this and you should be able to then after that use your Xfinity hotspot on your PlayStation 5.